Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing my daily makeup routine. I know it's been a while since I've made a YouTube video. I don't know, I've been slacking. I need to just get back on it. Alright, so let's just get into it. So for my daily makeup routine, when I'm not going like anywhere super fancy or anything, I'm just like going to work or something, I don't put on a ton of makeup. So what I do usually, I start with this Neutrogena Healthy Skin Anti-Aging Protector in the shade Ivory to Fair 10. So it's this. And I just take one of my sponge things. I probably need to clean it, honestly. I just like squirt some on there. Whoa, that was a big one. And then I just take this and I apply it to my face. I'm gonna add some more here, and I'm just tapping and like kind of rubbing it in. I always make the weirdest faces when I do makeup too, so be warned. So this is actually moisturizing treatment thing. It has some sunscreen in it. It has 20 SPF. I like to get makeup with like sunscreen in it just to help with my skin a little bit and to protect it from the rays of the sun. But I've tried to stop using foundation to maybe like help my skin a little bit, and I feel like it has. I didn't really break out a ton before. Like, I used to be blonde, okay? So, and I didn't really have any acne when I was younger. It started coming when I started going blonde because my hairstylist told me to change my shampoo and like conditioner. So then I did, and it's made me break out. I must have been like allergic to it or something, but it really made my forehead break out, like, because before I didn't really have any except for like around this area here, because I think I'm like allergic to some sort of food and I don't know what. But overall my face really wasn't that bad. Trying to get back to being healthier with my skin, and that is why I'm just trying to use like moisturizer so that I'm not clogging too much of my pores, you know, and trying to be a little lighter on the skin, you know. Okay, so then after I applied the moisturizer, the tinted moisturizer, I usually go in with this NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel applicator thing. I've tried different ones. I like the clear ones. So this is like a clear gel to just keep my eyebrows in place, because my eyebrow hairs are pretty long and they get messed up. Like, they used to get messed up all the time, and it was annoying, kind of embarrassing, because like you just have hairs going in all different directions, and it just, like, nobody wants that. So I found eyebrow gel to be really helpful. So I just run it through, spike it up a little bit. We're gonna come back to those and like go over it a little bit, so it's not like, because it usually leaves like a little white residue on it, but we just want it to keep the eyebrows up and looking great. This mascara, I love it. It is, I think, NYX like extra long lash mascara. I don't know exactly what it's called, but I love it. It like lengthens your lashes and looks amazing. So I'm gonna get like really close. It's so hard to do, oh my word. And I always do this thing with my mouth. I'm like, when I put it on, cause like, see, like, there I go. Like, I need to like stretch out the skin for some reason. I feel like I need to do that to like get a clear, I don't know, application. But I always end up messing it up anyway, so it really doesn't do anything for me. See, there I go. I mess up my mascara all the time. But what I usually do is I just go over it with a Q-tip and just clean it up. So I like to do a double coat to help lengthen and make the lashes darker. So another trick with the mascara, when you're getting it out of the container, instead of going up and down, you don't want to do that because it usually creates like air bubbles and makes the mascara dry out. So what you want to do is you put it in and then you like swish it around the edge to collect all the mascara, and then you bring it out and it's like fully coated. That's a trick I learned so that your mascara can last you a long time. Okay, so coming back to the eyebrows, I usually like to just run my finger through just to like calm the hairs down a little bit so they aren't like spiked up too crazily, and just to wipe off that white residue. You can't really see it in the camera, but usually it's there. So now for contour. So I use this L'Oreal Paris Bronze Please one. This one, it's like really good. There we go. See, it just comes off like that. It's not supposed to. It's supposed to like be like that, but I broke it. So, and then I take this like eyeshadow brush. It has like that little furry tip. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna put it in our bronzer, and I like to use my bronzer as, I just tap it off here, not to have too much, as an eyeshadow actually, because it's a nice color to just have an easy, more natural looking eyeshadow where it's not like anything crazy, and it's easy. It's just one shade, just nice and easy to do, just to add like a little more definition to your face and to make it look like you put more work into it, you know? I also like to contour my nose, so like I like to start right where my eyebrow is, and also it helps to hold your brush from the end so it's not as bold and harsh of a line of contour. But I like to start from like my eyebrows, and I like to just go like that. And then the other side, start right at the eyebrow, and we're gonna come down the nose to help contour it. I like to go like this too, where it like comes in on the nose, in on the nose. Yeah, I think makeup is where you can just be creative and do fun things to it sometimes, and just, I don't know, it's just a fun thing, and I think you can do bold stuff with it and just have fun, because makeup is just fun. Okay, so we got that applied. We're gonna smooth it out, don't worry, it's not staying like this. And I take this other brush. It's just a nice soft brush where I'm just going to take some bronzer. So I like to go my cheekbones, I like to go right on my jawline too, to get some more definition, because who doesn't want a snatched jaw? Like, I don't know. So I go on the jawline, and then I take some more and I go on my forehead a little bit. It helps to like warm up the face a little bit, and to, I don't know, just contour it a little more, make it look nice. So I go down the neck. Can't forget the neck, because you don't want all your makeup to stop like right there. You want to make sure that it blends into that neck. We're gonna take just a normal powder brush, any powder brush. I don't have any powder on here, it's just a plain clean brush, and I'm just gonna go over all that contouring we just did to smooth it out a bit and not have it be these bold, harsh lines, you know? I don't think bold is the right word, but harsh. And you just want to go over, get that all smoothed out. I like to have my lips, if my lips are extra dry, I will put on this lip balm that is like natural. I think it's like made from coconut oil. My friend makes it, so I just use that. It's natural ingredients, I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure what she puts in it, but I'm pretty sure they're natural ingredients. This is just my everyday look, where I, like, if I'm just going to work, like I said, or just a day out and I want to look a little better than just no makeup and feel a little more confident. But this isn't like a huge full face of makeup. It's just a light look, more natural, and like still doesn't look like, I don't know, like you're a Barbie doll, but looks like you have something on and it looks a little better. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time.